Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very good application to mine Ethereum directly from your cell phone. It is worth mentioning that the earnings are low, but you don't need to do absolutely anything. A very good strategy is to download several mining applications to multiply your earnings. Before we start the video, I wanted to ask for your subscription. And I like this video, this will really help me a lot. Let's get started. The first thing you will do is open the Play Store. Opening the Play Store, search for Ethereum Cloud Miner. This is the application that we will use to mine Ethereum on our cell phones. Click Install and wait for it to be installed. Once installed, click Open. Here is the part about creating your account. This process is very quick as you only need to have a Google account on your cell phone. Click on the Google option and choose an account on your cell phone and click About Her. Now choose the country where you are currently living. This will not impact the amount earned through mining. The gain is the same for all countries. I will select the country of the United States. Now let's open the home screen and see how this mining works. Allow notifications if you want, it doesn't make any difference. Now we are on the app's homepage. And to start mining is very simple, just click on the big middle button with the Ethereum symbol. We've already started mining. Stay until the end of the video because there are some very important things that I need to talk about before you install this application. Pay attention to what I'm going to say. Within this application, it offers plans for you to pay money monthly to accelerate the mining speed. Do not subscribe to any of these plans as you will lose money. Only use it in free mode and be patient in collecting the money. As I said earlier, you can use several mining applications at the same time. Now I'm going to talk to you about SAC. To withdraw your money saved here, click Withdraw, and you will be redirected to a page to move your Ethereum tokens to a wallet. In this first field, where there are several digits of random letters and numbers, you delete them all and paste your wallet address and below an amount you want to your wallet. Each mining lasts 24 hours. That is, you need to log into the application once a day to restart another mining. Your earnings will not be reset. They will be counted and accumulate every day. You just need to come every 24 hours to start another mining. Now, just be patient and save your money. You don't need to leave the application open. You can close the application tab. Mining is done over the internet and not through your cell phone's processor. The video will stay here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you next time.